Are you a senior considering downsizing and selling your home in Orange County? If so, this video is made just for you guys. I'll guide you through the various costs involved in selling a home and help you make an informed decision. Hello and welcome. I'm Lucas Smith, your local real estate expert. Are you thinking about downsizing and or selling your home right here in beautiful Orange County? I'm here to help. Don't forget to stick around until the end for a special tip that could save you thousands. All right, let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the money, real estate agent commissions. Now, in Orange County, the average commission rate, it's gonna average about 5 to 6% of your selling price. Now, let me explain a little bit. If your home sells for about $700,000, you might pay $35,000 to $42,000 in commissions. This fee used to be negotiated ahead of time as a whole, and it was split between the buyer's agent and the listing agent. However, with the new rules in place regarding commissions, you, the seller, will negotiate with your agent for how much commission you will pay them. Each individual buyer's agent will now negotiate for their own commissions. They will either negotiate for you, the seller, to pay for them, or for the buyer to pay for them. Now, what this means to you as the seller is that you have to evaluate each offer individually, make sure that your bottom line or the money that you put in your pocket is your primary focus. Now, important thing, remember, all real estate commissions are negotiable. With agents, usually you get what you pay for. So beware of agents offering deeply discounted fees for their services. They're either 1, inexperienced, or 2, offering a lower quality or level of service. You want to look for somebody in your local market with a track record of success. And this means you being willing to ask the agent to show you their individual records of sales and successes. Now, as a seller, don't be afraid to interview multiple agents and ask for references from past clients. Now, a great agent won't just handle the paperwork or market your home well. They're going to negotiate well on your behalf and in your best interest at all times. And they'll market your home effectively. And for sure, you could try selling your home yourself and try to save the commission. But here's the real deal. An experienced agent will make things so much easier for you. Studies have shown that they'll get you an average higher price than you'll end up selling it yourself and put more money in your pocket. I'm proud to say that over the years, no matter what the market, we net sellers an average of over 3% more than their asking price. You know, I'm fond of saying we pay for ourselves. Now, let's talk about closing costs, other closing costs besides commissions. So, as a seller, you can expect to pay somewhere between 1 to 2% of the sales price in closing costs. These can include fees for escrow, title, insurance, transfer taxes, as well as homeowners association doc prep fees, and any private transfer fees that your homeowners association might charge. That's right, your HOA might charge you to get out. So, on that same $700,000 home, you might pay between $7,000 and $14,000 in closing costs. And it's important to budget for these expenses so there are no surprises and you can get a good idea of what to expect. Escrow fees cover the cost of the escrow company managing the transaction. They're an independent third party. While title insurance protects against any issues with the title of the property, ensuring that you deliver your buyer clear, clean title on the property and you have no liability in it. Transfer taxes are fees paid to the local government for transfer of ownership. And HOA fees, well, we all pay an HOA somewhere. And if you don't, good for you. It's a good idea to ask your real estate agent for a breakdown of what these costs are in writing early on so you know what to expect. Now, before putting your home on the market, you might need to invest in some basic repairs and maybe even staging the property a little bit. You'll definitely want to fix any issues like leaky faucets or cracked tiles so you can make your home the most appealing to buyers. Staging, which involves setting up furniture and decor, it can also help you sell your home faster and for a higher price. You can hire a professional stager or you can do it yourself with a little creativity. You know, sometimes a few changes can make a big difference. I also recommend to all my sellers to consider getting a pre-listing home inspection. This can identify any potential problems that the buyer might bring up in their home inspection that could deter buyers or be used by the buyers to try to negotiate a lower price. By addressing these issues up front, you can present a well-maintained home that's ready to move into, making it more attractive to all of your potential buyers and getting you a higher price. The cost of repairs and staging can vary widely. You might spend a few $1,000s, but staging doesn't need to be expensive. I made an entire video on how to help you stage your home on a budget, and the link is on the top of the screen and in the description below. Don't forget about the cost of moving, because you're going to move, right? Now, whether that means hiring a professional mover or renting a truck, moving costs can add up. In Orange County, hiring movers can range from a couple $1,000s to thousands and thousands of dollars, depending on how much stuff you have, the distance of your move, and exactly what you want the movers to do for you. If you're downsizing, you might also need to consider the cost of storage for items that you can't take with you. Get quotes from multiple moving companies and look for discounts, and also look for somebody who's reputable. Some companies offer special rates for seniors, and you might also save money by moving during the off-season or on a weekday. Look, we're older, we have more time, we don't have to move on Saturday and Sunday. Capital gains tax is another potential cost. Now, if you've lived in your home for a long time, it's likely increased in value. The good news is, according to federal capital gains rules, if you've lived in your home as your primary home for the 2 of the last 5 years, as an individual, you can get an exclusion for up to $250,000 of capital gains taxes, or if you're married, you can get up to $500,000 exclusion. Be sure to check with your tax professional to get all these details, because again, I'm a real estate broker, not a tax professional. A good tax professional can help you navigate the complexities of capital gains tax and identify any deductions or credits that you might be eligible for. They can also help you ahead of time to plan for the tax implications of selling your home and ensure that you're in compliance with all relevant tax laws. There are also some miscellaneous costs to consider. For instance, if you have a mortgage, you'll probably need to pay off that remaining balance. You might also have to pay prorated property taxes and utility bills up to the closing date. These costs can vary, so it's important to have a clear understanding of all the financial details before you sell. Additionally, if you're selling a condo or a townhouse, there might be some special assessments to pay for community repairs or improvements, so be aware of these ahead of time. And lastly, if your home has any liens or other encumbrances, you'll need to definitely address these before you can sell. These might include unpaid property taxes, contractor liens, or other debts secured by your property, such as judgments against you. Selling your home in Orange County involves various costs, but with careful planning, you can navigate them smoothly. And the best way to manage these costs is to work with professionals who specialize in helping seniors downsize and make that move, so you know all your costs ahead of time. You know, a real estate specialist, financial advisor, and senior move managers can help provide invaluable assistance. And they understand the unique needs of seniors and can offer personalized advice and support. Now, before we wrap up, here's that special tip we promised. Did you know that there are grants and programs available specifically for seniors to help cover some of the costs of selling and moving? These programs can provide financial assistance, home repairs, and moving expenses, and more. Be sure to research local and federal programs that you might qualify for. If you need more detailed information, let me know in the comments so I can cover it in future videos. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if so, like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guidelines, because I'm just putting these out all the time. If you have any questions or need help selling your home, please don't hesitate to call me at 714-844-1580. I'm Lucas Smith, broker-owner of Sell My Home Real Estate. I'm here to help you every day and every step of the way. Take care and happy home selling. I'll see you on the next video.